What's up, beautiful people? Welcome back to another video. Let's make some crispy pineapple chicken bites. Let's get started. So here I have some chicken breasts. I'm just going to cut these into cubes or bite-sized pieces. I have already washed and cleaned my chicken breast. Now I'm just going to cut it into small pieces. Now for my seasonings, here I have some complete seasoning, paprika, all-purpose, garlic powder, seasoning salt, black pepper, and onion powder. And in my bowl, I have some corn flour, rice flour, and all-purpose flour. Now I'm just going to combine everything. Now I'm going to go in with about a half a cup of water, and we're going to create like a paste-like consistency. Now we're going to go in with our chicken. We're going to coat this generously and allow it to sit and marinate for about 30 minutes. Now it's time to fry these off. And guys, the key to getting these nice and crispy is to frying them twice. So I'm going to fry these up once, and then I'm going to fry them again. And the full measurement for this recipe will be linked down in the description box, so please feel free to check it out. So I'm going to fry these on one side for 5 minutes, flip them, and go for another 5 minutes. Now the first frying time is complete. I'm just going to remove these from the oil, repeat the same step with the remainder of the chicken, and then I'm just going to fry them again. Now it's time to do my second fry, because guys, we want it to be nice and crispy on the outside and juicy on the inside. That's the key to getting some crispy fried chicken. Double frying. So I'm just going to fry these 5 minutes on one side, 5 minutes on the other side until nice and golden brown. Now we're going to remove this and continue the next step with the remainder of the chicken as well. Now it's time for our sauce. So in my pan here, I'm just going to add some butter. Now I'm going to go in with my freshly squeezed pineapple juice. You could use can if you like. Now I'm gonna flavor this up. I'm gonna go in with some low sodium soy sauce. You could use whatever kind you like. I'm gonna add about a tablespoon of cornstarch, and I'm gonna whisk this in. Okay, guys, you want to whisk until this is nice and thick. I did went ahead and strain this out to remove any of the pulp that has been in it, because we want this to be a nice, smooth, thick, and delicious sauce. We don't want no lumps in it. And I'm gonna go in with about a tablespoon of honey. You could make it how sweet or how savory you like, depending on your taste. I'm gonna give it a quick whisk and allow this to cook and thicken up. And there you have it. Our luscious, delicious pineapple sauce is ready. Now I'm going to go ahead and add my chicken and coat it generously in all that sauce. We're going to make sure that every piece of this chicken is coated in this delicious sauce. And let me tell you guys, these crispy pineapple chicken were the boss. They were so delicious, guys. You ought to try this recipe. Now I'm going to go in with a sprinkle of sesame seed. This is totally optional, but it does take it over to another level. And guys, if you have reached this far in the video and you haven't yet subscribed, hit that subscription button, turn on the post notification bell so you'll be notified each time I upload a new video, and turn on the notification bell that says all so you never miss any of my uploads. So guys, I'm just going to plate these up, and let me tell you, these were sweet, crunchy, and delicious, guys. You ought to try this recipe. Try this recipe and let me know in the comment section what you think about this recipe, guys. Until then, my beautiful people, I thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in another one. Bye bye.